Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how to fix object not found error in WordPress. So let's start. As I click on it, it seems object not found. You can open any page, the same error will show. Let's let's fix it. Go to permalinks, go down and copy the code for the HTSS. Go to the root of the WordPress. As you can see, a hidden HTSS file is showing there. If it is not showing, try to create it with .htss. Just open it and paste it, save it and close. Just refresh it. As you can see, pages are working fine now. So if your error is not fixing, then try to contact me. Thanks for watching my video.